Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Tina from Tina's Reborns, Penny from Playful Reborns, Dory from Dory's Dollies. Today we're doing either Christmas or fancy dress. And I wanted to show you this little dress. No, I did not make this one. This came from an antique store not too far from Darren and I. It's an antique mall, and they have some other booths that just have items there. And I fell in love with this print and this apron, and look at this. Tura loves bloomers, and this little outfit had the cutest little bloomers. I love it. And look at this. That's how much they charged. $7.95 for this three-piece outfit. And this is actually for an 18-inch doll, but I could not resist to put Tura in it to show you today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Tina, Dory, and Penny. I hope you'll go by and see their videos, as well as everybody that's doing the Elf Challenge today. If you're participating today, please leave me a note in my comments so I can come by. I don't want to miss one of your cute little Christmas elves in their fancy dresses. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.